Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2013 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero 1700. This bike has 18,900 miles and is offered for only $89.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is the big bore cruiser that Kawasaki still makes today. Comes standard with cruise control, AM/FM stereo. This one also has a hookup for your iPhone, so you can listen to music off of your iPhone. Has an aftermarket racing exhaust that's been put on. Also a custom license plate holder with LED lights. These two little strips on the back, on the right and left of the tail, you'll see are the turn signals and brake lights. Look really cool. We'll show you that in a minute. Also has a passenger backrest that's been added. Aftermarket custom air cleaner, custom grips, bar risers. Also the factory turn signals have been removed, and there's been some side marker lights that have been added, and also turn signal. It looks really cool. Again, only $89.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, safety check, and checked it out, and she's all ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. And in just a second, we'll show you